Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. This is a bookish video today. I tend to do book videos on a Monday, so if you are expecting crochet, it is not crochet, it is book related. But today I am opening this month's Bookishly Classic Book Crate. So if you want to see what's in here, keep watching. So everybody, the postman bought me this the other day and I've resisted opening it. It has nearly killed me, but I will tell you a little bit about the Bookishly Classic Book Crate. It is a monthly subscription box. You can also buy it month by month, which is what I do. I haven't signed up for a 3 month, 6 month. I just see which ones I like and then grab them. So this month's is Jane Eyre, last month's was Alice in Wonderland. And I've just read Jane Eyre, so I thought I would give the book a go. So it comes with the box. So it comes with a book, Jane Eyre, funnily enough. It normally comes with an extra book and some other goodies, and they do design their very own book sleeves. This is a UK company and the stuff you get in here is just amazing. It's about £30 to £35 a month. I can't remember how much. But anyway, let's get on. I'm really sorry if you can hear banging. It is the builders. So, it always comes beautifully packed. I'm trying to not tip this everywhere. With this lovely piece of paper across. So I'm going to pop it here and I'm going to pull things out as I go. Oh my god, these builders are driving me absolutely insane. Let me see. If I shut this door, it's not going to make one bit of difference. But we can hope. So first of all, we have 3 bookmarks. It says World Book Day is just around the corner, a day dedicated to encouraging and celebrating the joys of reading. In this little pack you'll find 2 bookmarks, one for you to keep and one for you to give to a friend. It's all about sharing the bookish love. So we have a Jungle Book. So I know one of their books, that's upside down, one of their boxes was Jungle Book a couple of months ago, and on the back it says Till Dawn We Are the Jungle Book, Chapter 1. And the next, oh, I think this is Mary Shelley Frankenstein. It is indeed. So if you can see, it's got some body parts. The beginning is always today, Mary Shelley. So there you go, somebody's going to get a nice bookmark off of me. Right, I need to get down and get into the squiggles that drive me absolutely nuts. Love them, but they drive me a bit insane. So, let us see. A little Jane Eyre bookmark that says, this book I had again and again perused with delight, Jane Eyre. Their stuff is so beautifully illustrated. Oh no. And then we have a little booklet. I presume it's, I think it's just like a little essay on Jane Eyre, so I shall read that later once I finish my essay that I'm supposed to be doing now. And then, oh, I don't know if you can see that. A lovely little notebook. I am not an angel and I will not be one till I die. I will be myself. That quote is me. It is written for me. So it's just a blank little notebook. And we have tea. Now if anybody knows me, they will know I'm a complete tea addict and I drink tea. In fact, here's my tea in last month's Alice in Wonderland mug. That's how tea devoted I am. Sorry, I'm sliding on this chair. So we have some Thornfield English breakfast tea. And we have the book. Look, so they come with their own specially designed book sleeves, and this is the back. So yeah, it's a Wordsworth classic and they pop their own book sleeve on. They're so pretty. I love them. And then there is a second book. Charlotte Bronte, Stancliffe's Hotel. I'm going to read that later. Because why not? And then we have, oh, this looks interesting. a box. Let's have a look. That is Lush. That is so Bristolian, sorry. Lush is like really nice. If you're like, what does Lush mean? It is a necklace. And it is, let me see if I can get out and hold it up. And it is books and a clock. That is lovely. That is so pretty. And she says dying. I do love that. And then we have, let's see, this is the box that keeps on giving. It is well worth the money. I'm sure there's something else. There's normally a button and you've got to hunt to find the button badge. There it is. So you get this little teeny tiny button. I would always rather be happy than dignified. You're not going to be able to read that because it is tiny. But that is me. I swear this box is written for me. Then we have a little info card about Charlotte Bronte. Oh, the spoiler card. And then we have this. I love their prints. Oh my God. Literally, I give up. I ask you to pass through life at my side, to be my second self and my best earthly companion. That is so pretty. And then on the back, it's got a reading on the window seat. That is so lush. I've got a picture wall there, so I'm going to pop it on there. Then we have this wrapped. So let's have a look. I don't like ripping the paper because it's so pretty. But I'll have to rip the paper. Otherwise, I'm not getting into it. Oh, and it is a page from Jane Eyre. I've got page number 281. And it says, I am no bird and no net ensnares me. I'm a free human being with an independent will. I love that, so I'm going to pop that up on there as well. So my battery is about to die, so that's good timing. So thanks everybody for watching. I will leave the link to the classic Bookishly classic book crate down below, and you can check them out for yourselves. They are absolutely amazing. Yeah, and I shall speak to you all soon. So happy reading, everybody. Bye.